go slow, bud.
Okay, do it again.
Gotta do more on one foot.
Keep going. Do it again.
Do it again, one more time.
Do it again.
Oops, sorry, so sorry.
Lucas, go slow this time.
Use his hands like this.
Okay, try really hard this time. Do it one-legged. Try really hard.
Good job, Lucas. You're doing it good there.
Get him all with him.
Cute.
He's gonna fall on his face here. So.
Does he know how?
Fall on his face? Yeah, he's good at that.
Lucas, look at me and bow now.